You may have already heard of apple cider vinegar, but don't know how to use it properly and what it is for. The list of apple cider vinegar uses and benefits is very long. So that's why on today's video, we're going to focus only on one part of the body, the face, and explore what apple cider vinegar can do for it. Age spot removal. Time is making us old, and it also gives age spots as a reminder. Kick those spots straight to the curb with the help of apple cider vinegar. The alpha hydroxy acids in apple cider vinegar work away old dead skin. Place a dab of apple cider vinegar on a cotton ball and apply it directly to the spot. Let the vinegar sit there for about 30 minutes, then wash the spot and dry it. Repeat this twice a day. You should notice significant changes within a matter of weeks. Acne treatment. Whether you're a teenager or a grown adult, acne can be embarrassing and distracting. Apple cider vinegar will remove harmful bacteria as well as excess dirt and debris from your pores. Get yourself some apple cider vinegar and dilute it in water at a ratio of 1 part ACV to 3 parts water. Then, soak a cotton pad in this mixture and apply it directly to your face after you've washed it. Do this twice daily. Wrinkle reduction. Apple cider vinegar contains beta-carotene, an antioxidant that combats the free radical damage behind wrinkles and other signs of aging. When applied to skin, it restores a youthful, healthy appearance. Dilute your apple cider vinegar as per the instructions in the last point. Get yourself a cotton pad, soak it in the mixture and apply this directly to the wrinkles. Toxin removal. It is possible that you've got a lot of toxins built up on your face thanks to the commercial products you used before. Apple cider vinegar is a diuretic. It promotes the excretion of toxins and waste. Also here, dilute your ACV as per the instructions in the last point. Get yourself a cotton pad, soak it in the mixture and apply this directly to the wrinkles. But be careful. If you've got particularly sensitive skin, using an apple cider vinegar mixture that's too strong can burn your face. After you've diluted it, test the mixture on a small area of your hand. If it feels fine, go on to test it on a small area of your face. If you feel uncomfortable burning, add more water and try again until it no longer hurts. So, are you surprised by such amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar? Let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. If you like the video, then give it a like and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.